Barack Obama is not a natural-born citizen, and he is not eligible to be the President of the United States of America. Barack Obama, by his own words and his own actions, has proven this. The British Nationality Act of 1948, Part 2, Section 5, states, subject to the provisions of this section, a person born after the commencement of this act shall be a citizen of the United Kingdom and Colonies by descent, if his father is a citizen of the United Kingdom and Colonies at the time of his birth. Barack Obama Sr., Barack Obama's father, was indeed a citizen of the United Kingdom. Now, you've no doubt heard before that the best place to hide something is right in plain sight. And so if you go to Barack Obama's FightTheSmears.com, Articles 5, Birth Certificate, on the bottom of the page, you will see a quote there that Barack Obama has put right there in plain sight that states that when Barack Obama Jr. was born on August 4th, 1961 in Honolulu, Kenya was a British colony, still part of the United Kingdom's dwindling empire. As a Kenyan native, Barack Obama Sr. was a British subject whose citizenship status was governed by the British Nationality Act of 1948. This is the same act that I just read to you. Goes on to say this same act governed the status of Obama Sr.'s children. Barack Obama was therefore, at the time of his birth, a citizen of the British Empire, a citizen born under the jurisdiction of the United Kingdom. And he is not, therefore, a natural-born citizen of the United States of America. Furthermore, Barack Obama has on occasion stated that he is a citizen according to the 14th Amendment. That is not true either. The very first line of the 14th Amendment says all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. So you'll notice that there are two parts of this equation. To be a citizen, you have to, one, be born or naturalized in the United States, and part two, you have to be subject to the jurisdiction of the United States. Well, according to the 14th Amendment then, and what we have just read previously, Barack Obama was born a subject under the jurisdiction of the United Kingdom. He was not, therefore, born under the jurisdiction of the United States. So according to the 14th Amendment, Barack Obama is not even a citizen of the United States. Now also, I said by his words and his actions that he has proved that he is not a natural-born citizen. Let me show you one other instance in which, by his own submission of a resolution in the Senate and his voting for this, he has agreed that a natural-born citizen must be the child of two United States citizens, which he is not. And he has agreed to this because he's co-sponsored Senate Resolution 511. And this resolution states, recognizing John Sidney McCain III is a natural-born citizen, whereas the Constitution of the United States requires that to be eligible for the office of the President, a person must be a natural-born citizen of the United States. So Barack Obama has agreed with this paragraph. He has agreed that he must be a natural-born citizen of the United States. And he has already stated that he is not. The very next paragraph says, whereas the term natural-born citizen, as the term appears in Article 2, Section 1, is not defined in the Constitution of the United States. This paragraph is not stating that this term has never been defined. It is simply stating that it has never been defined within the Constitution of the United States. It has been defined. It is a legal term that has been used for centuries, and it was defined by the founders and framers of our nation. The very next paragraph says, whereas there is no evidence of the intention of the framers or any Congress to limit the constitutional rights of children born to Americans serving in the military, nor to prevent those children from serving as their country's president. that, Barack Obama has agreed to this paragraph. The next paragraph, whereas such limitations would be inconsistent with the purpose and the intent of the natural-born citizen clause of the Constitution of the United States, as evidenced by the first Congress's own statute defining the term natural-born citizen. Once again, Barack Obama co-sponsored this resolution and he voted for it to be passed. Again, what does it say? That the first Congress's own statute defined the term natural-born citizen. What are they talking about? First Congress's own statute. Well, that would be the United States Naturalization Law, which was passed on March 26, 1790. And within that law, it states the children of citizens of the United States, which may be born beyond the sea or out of the limits of the United States, shall be considered as natural-born citizens. So by co-sponsoring this resolution and by unanimous vote, not only of Barack Obama, but all 100 members of the United States Senate last April, all of them agreed that a natural-born citizen is the child of U.S. citizens. A natural-born citizen is the child of two United States citizens. So by Barack Obama's own words and his own actions, he has admitted that he is not a natural-born citizen and he is ineligible to hold the office of President of the United States of America.